Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today our featured word is asylum. This is a C1 level noun, and it means protection for refugees. Essentially, asylum is the shelter or safety granted to people who've been forced to leave their home countries due to war, persecution, or other dangers. So, when someone is seeking asylum, they are looking for a safe place to live and be protected. Think of it like a refuge, a secure haven from harm. Now, let's look at some synonyms for asylum. We could use refuge, like the family found refuge in a neighboring country after their home was destroyed. Another similar word is sanctuary, as in the church offered sanctuary to the displaced villagers. You can also think of shelter, as in the organization provides shelter for those seeking asylum. On the flip side, let's explore antonyms. A direct opposite of asylum would be persecution, like in the sentence, the refugees fled their country to escape persecution. Another antonym is danger, as in the activist faced constant danger in their own country. We could also use expulsion, such as the government ordered their expulsion without due process. See how these words contrast with the idea of safety and protection. Let's think about how we use asylum in everyday situations. You might hear news reports talking about seeking asylum in different countries. You might hear someone say the country granted asylum to the refugees. It's often discussed in political and social contexts concerning human rights and international law. Here are a few more examples of asylum in sentences. They applied for asylum at the border. Or, the lawyer specializes in asylum cases. We might also hear phrases like political asylum or seek asylum. It's really a term that you'll encounter quite often in both news and legal contexts. Okay. To summarize, asylum is a C1 level noun which means protection for refugees. Some synonyms are refuge, sanctuary, and shelter. Antonyms include persecution, danger, and expulsion. We use asylum to describe a safe haven for those fleeing danger, and you'll often hear it in discussions about immigration and human rights. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word asylum helpful. If you enjoy learning new vocabulary, please subscribe to this podcast so you never miss an episode. Also, please leave us a review. Your support helps other people find our show and learn new words too. Finally, I'd love to see you all try creating your own sentence using asylum and share it as a comment below. I'll see you next time, and until then, keep exploring the English language.